If you want to know how I made this into this, then keep on watching. Hello, hello, hello. Let's design a poster. Quick and easy, and I'm going to be using Pixlr X again because it's free. And let's get started. So, here we have your image in Pixlr X ready for us to edit. And yeah, let's get started. So step number 1, you're gonna add a layer from your layers section here. Just follow my mouse and I'll just like point at things that I'm talking about. We're gonna add layer empty. We're gonna go to draw. We're gonna add like a green color. I want mine to be like a warm yellowish green. We're gonna go to the brightest one and make sure that your layer is clicked on the empty one and not on the Greenteapeng one. Greenteapeng, which is the artist that I'm making this poster about. And then it'll look like this and you're like, what's going on? It doesn't look that good. Well, you click on these 3 little dots, which are layer settings, and then you have blend mode. So you go to blend mode, okay? Now it has none, but we're gonna add multiply. Do you see that? Okay, you can add the opacity, which means the strength of like this green that we just added on top. This is great to use with black and white pictures. As you can see, it just looks really good. But we can see what other layers look like too. So screen would look like that. Lighter, that's kind of cool. Overlay, darken, lighten, color dodge, that's a cool looking one too. You can really spice up your designs using the blend tool. But yeah, I used color burn in my poster design, so we're gonna go with that. And the opacity was at 100. As you can see, it's a deep moss color and it just brings so much to the picture. Like, look at that, that's weak. It looks like it was taken in the 1800s, okay? And now look, boom, depth color, like beautiful. We're gonna lock this layer from right there, okay? Now you have 2 layers. This is easy stuff here, guys, okay? We're gonna go to add text, add new text. F this font, it's so ugly. Only thing about Pixlr X is like if you don't have the premium one is like you don't have the greatest of fonts, okay? But we can make it work, okay? Because I'm not paying for this. If I'm paying for something, it's gonna be Adobe, okay? So let's pull out the reference picture. Okay, here we have the reference picture. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, but just to help us figure out what font was used in this. So I used Georgia on the green zone. I think I used Georgia on the quote too, and then 108 and then 23, which is kind of my signature little thing. And it also 23 is the year it was made, the poster. Okay, so let's do greatness was, okay. Greatness is as you can see, it's super small. You can't really see the text at all. So we're gonna swipe down. We're gonna go to size right here, okay? We're gonna make it bigger until we're happy with the size. That's fine. A little bit smaller. I think that's about right. We're gonna use the bold to kind of make it pop a little more. See? Okay, this is very good stuff right here. Now we're gonna go to the color and I already have the colors I used for that font, so it's gonna be this yellow tone. If you know you've used the same one, here's the color code right here. Guys, check it out where my mouse is pointing at. You can copy that. And then we're gonna go down and we're gonna use outline. We're gonna turn it on, and then color of the outline, and we're gonna use a dark warm gray tone right here. And we're gonna make the size of our outline a bit bigger so it kind of doesn't blend in the yellows of the background, which is like her shirt and her necklaces, so the text doesn't kind of get lost in there. And boom, greatness is found in the unity of self. Let's copy this. So we're gonna duplicate layer, and boom, now there's two. And another one was born. Okay, this is done here. So next we're gonna add the green zone. Okay guys, so reference green zone. I'm not just making that shit up. I wish I did, that would be so cool. Oh shit. This lady done archived all her pictures. When I say she's mysterious, this is what I mean. Like, if you don't take a screenshot of her cool ass like editorial photo shoots, you'll never see them again. But check it out, guys. So Green Zone, that is her newest song. Okay, Green Zone 108. Very good song. Please go listen to it. And yeah, so that's kind of references that you can add onto your poster and kind of spice it up like I did. Okay guys, let's look at the reference picture. It was like a dark gray tone that I used. Look at this, guys. I'm zooming in. You can see the black and gray outline. Okay, so that's what I used. And then 108 was with like this 2000s kind of font looking thing. And then 23 is just, I think 23 is just, yeah, the same. So, oh, what the not my CV popping up. Okay, so it was a dark gray color. Remember, guys, what we did? We're gonna make it, that's about right, bold. Y'all already know the drill. And it was kind of a warm toned gray. Okay, boom, done. We're gonna kind of align it with the G's down here. So we're gonna align this. Do you see the green line right there? So this green line isn't kind of making it more symmetrical, like the texts align better. So keep in mind when you're doing your posters or stickers or whatever. Now we're gonna add 108, and the font I used for the 108 one was here. It is, we found it. Okay guys, so Josephine is the font that I used for my other design too, and this is bolded. It's bold. Okay, yeah, it makes it pop a bit more. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, just a little bit. You see how it does that green little cross? It's not, I don't like it because you can see the top part of the 8 right there, and I don't want to see that. I want to see that. So we're gonna put it down a bit, and perfect, we can't see it now. We cannot see it. We're gonna go down here, guys, okay, where you have the zoom out, zoom in options, and we're gonna click on the middle, and it says fit. So if you like, you're hella zoomed in, like doing the nitty gritty details of something, and you're like, I don't want to zoom back manually, you know, because like we be looking for smart shortcuts. Think smarter, not harder, you know? So we just fit. Boom, and it's back to the full view, okay? And last thing, is 23, or your personal, like, not touch, but like your name, or if you have like a watermark or some shit, which I should add on this. Add that. I need to freaking create a watermark, yo. But anyways, 23, not the song where Miley's in, which is actually really good. We're gonna bold this out. Actually, no, we don't need to. We're gonna add an outline on this. Remember, I like my warm tones, okay? We're not kinda there. I said 23. And done. This is how you make your Greenteapeng poster, or whatever poster you want to do. If there's anyone you guys want me to do next, like an artist or maybe an actor, I don't know. If there's anyone you guys want me to do next, like a singer or artist or whoever, maybe like a gaming character. I've been thinking of doing like a video game character, because like I do be gaming, so, or maybe an anime one. But yeah, here you guys go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And as you can see, check out the layers on here. Fucking moving crazy with the mouse. There's not even a lot of layers, and we have this layer. We can delete that because it's literally empty. And yeah, this is so easy. I know some people have like fucking 5 million layers, but you honestly, if you're making simple things like me, like you don't need that much skill or talent. You just need creativity and like little tools and tips and tricks and nicks to help you out with your ideas. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let's save it from the bottom. Let's save it, and I'm gonna title this just Peng, and JPG, how do you guys say that in America? And yeah, I'm gonna save this on Pixlr so it doesn't get deleted from my profile, because Pixlr does that. If you don't edit a picture in like a year or something, or like 6 months, it'll just delete whatever you were designing, no matter if you have an account or not. So here's the tutorial on how I made my Greenteapeng poster. I hope you guys liked that video, and if there's any other artists you want me to do and edit into a poster or maybe a potential sticker, I could do that. So yeah, if you guys end up making any, tag me on Instagram or somewhere, because like I want to see what y'all make. And until next time.